Hi, welcome to your math class. Today we're going to be learning about long divisions with decimals. We're going to be solving these two problems without calculator. Before we begin, it's important for you to know that you can write in any number, like 9, and this number is equal to its form with a decimal point and zeros. Okay, so these two numbers are worth the same because if you draw a decimal point and then zeros to the right, they're not adding value, they're just there. Okay. This is important for you to know to solve these problems. Okay, these problems are solved in a similar manner to the other normal problems in long division, just that we're going to do decimals this time. We're going to grab the number outside the house, and this number is going to ask the first digit if it can fit. So can 4 fit into 1? And it can't. So we're going to ask the next two digits. So 14. Can 4 fit in the 14? And yes, it can. It can fit 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12. We're going to subtract 14 minus 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. And then we're going to drop the next digit with it, which is a 2. And we're going to ask, can 4 fit into the 22? Yes, it can. It can fit 5 times. 4 times 5 is 20. And we're going to subtract. 22 minus 20 is 2. Notice how we ran out of numbers. Now we're going to do the trick I told you. We're going to put a decimal point and we're going to add a 0 because we're not altering the number. It's worth the same, but we're going to add this 0 so we can drop it down, okay? It's important for you to know that if we draw this point here, we need to drop 1 in the same position up here, okay? Okay, so we're going to drop this 0 here. So can 4 fit in the 20? Yes, it can. It can fit 5 times, so 5. 4 times 5 is 20, and the subtraction is 0. And when we get a 0, this means we're done. And the answer is 35.5. Now, let's do problem number 2. Problem number 2, we're going to do the same. 6 is going to ask the first digit if it can fit. Can 6 fit in the 4? It can't, so we're going to ask the first two digits. Can 6 fit in the 46? And yes, it can. It can fit 7 times. 6 times 7 is 42. We're going to subtract. 46 minus 42 is 4. Okay, so we drop the next digit, which is a 9, here. Can 6 fit in 49? And yes, it can. It can fit 8 times. Okay, 6 times 8 is 48. And we're going to subtract. 49 minus 8 is 1. Okay. Notice how here we already have a decimal point, so we need to draw a decimal point directly above the already existing decimal point. Okay, that's important. We're gonna bring down the next digit, which is a 5. So we have 15. Okay, can 6 fit in the 15? Yes, it can. It can fit 2 times in the 15. 6 times 2 is 12. We're gonna subtract. 15 minus 12 is 3. And we ran out of numbers, but you know now that if you add zeros to the right of a decimal, it doesn't change anything. So we can do that. We're going to draw a 0 and bring it down. Okay. So we bring down a 0 and then we ask, can 6 fit into 30? And it can. It can fit 5 times into 30. So we're going to draw a 5 here. 6 times 5 is 30. And we subtract and we get 0. This means we're done. And the answer is 78.25. This is how you solve long divisions with decimals.
And that was today's class. I really hope it helped, that you learned something, and that you do great on your exams. See you soon, and God bless you. Bye-bye.